wizard.
All right. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all having a great day. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Hope you're all going to have a fantastic day today. All right. So, on the last video, I said I was feeling bullish, right here, because we got that pump, we moved down, and then she eventually came back down to confirm the previous month VWAP as support. And I've been saying for the longest, as long I will flip my narrative bullish, which I have. That Saturday, last video, I said I was feeling bullish. I felt bullish. We've confirmed the VWAP I wanted to confirm as support to move higher. Okay, and that's exactly what has happened. Got a great bottom. Money flow has come in on the 1 hour now. 16 minutes ago, it's 5 a.m. my time, Central Time here in the States. We got a curve down. We're starting to see it, but overall, we still have the inward curve to the upside on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we are starting to diverge. A bit, but this 4 hour VWAP also has an inward curve to the upside, but we are diverging on momentum as well as money flow on this 4 hour. The money flow still looks pretty good on these lower time frames. 10-minute VWAP right before I started the video. Now the 15 confirmed. Yeah, the 10-minute VWAP did have the curve down. Money flow is coming out. Looks like we could hit our daily VWAP, confirm the daily VWAP as support to continue higher, maybe even the previous day VWAP. These are the two levels I would be looking for a bounce up to 88. The VWAP, the level of price after this big dump, and we just couldn't get over it. We couldn't get over this price at 88.8, 88.7, where this previous quarter four VWAP is now. Okay, so if we are gonna get the bounce up, if we're losing the previous day, we know because this is what would have flipped me bullish. And Saturday I said I finally felt bullish because we was holding the previous month VWAP very well. I mean, we was right here. Actually, we was coming up. We did get a second move down. It wasn't that bad though. We came down to 84k and confirmed the monthly VWAP that flipped my narrative to bullish. You confirmed it, and now we are on our way to 90k. But first, we're gonna have to get above the VWAP here at 88.8. Okay. Well, once we blast through this thing, 90k is definitely on the way. We do have that inward curve to the upside on the 1 hour. A very deep momentum wave. We could see a clip here soon. Like I said, we did get the reset, and there looks to be a small curve to the downside. And we are losing the momentum on some of these lower time frames. You can see momentum is starting to fade on the 15-minute, momentum as well as the money flow, and the 4 hour. The 4 hour is also diverging on your money flow and momentum. Now, the 4 hour does have a good curve up, and we could put in a new anchor wave. There looks like there's still plenty of meat on the bones here for this 4 hour wave. And let's see what the daily looks like. Man, we called that curve so good. We called this curve so good. If you watch my market cipher tutorial that I will be adding to the curve, man, you could just see the inward curve for the last few days. Go look at the last video from Saturday. We called it, man. It had a beautiful curve to it. Money flows coming in. Now we're opening the candles that we want to open. I've been saying I have flipped my narrative bullish. This is exactly what I wanted to see to do so. But these are the levels I'm watching. We're looking for a rejection. If we're gonna go back to 90k, we got to get above this level that's just been smacking us down. Okay, but now we are starting to put in some higher highs. We got a higher low right here, and now we're starting to put in some higher highs on the daily. Looking good, looking kind of good here. VWAP shooting straight up with that money flow. We know We know if you watch my channel, VWAP and money flow working together, ooh, it's deadly. It's a deadly combination. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to catch any of this price action. Every time I come, they're like, if I come to the 1 hour, we'll be like pumping way up here, and there won't. I'll be trying to long resistance, right? Every time I come to the chart, I'll be trying to long resistance or short support. Yeah, I never have any real. It's been a hectic few days to say the least. But these are the levels I'm watching. We'll confirm. We could come down. It could, depending on how the day opens. These are the levels I'm watching for to the downside. All these levels, if we're losing one level, looking for the next. And to the upside, you already know, we need to break this previous quarter 4 VWAP at 88.8 to think about going to the spider line at 90, maybe 92K. But that will do it for me. I'll be back later tonight. I hope everyone has a great day. God bless you all. I'm out.